The learning Zili Nishmas Etta Ahuva Basakim Masechah Shevuos Perek Vav Mishna Hey. This mission is also found in Bava Metzia Perek Dala Mishna Test Legabe Oina. Elu Dvarim Shein Nishba Maleim. There is no shvua on the following four things: Havadim Vashtaris V'Karkois V'Hekdeshes, on slaves, shtaris, land, or hekdish. The Gemara learns it out because the pasuk says it's a klal prat to klal, and we darshan ma prat mefurish davar hametaltel v'gufay mamen. Davar hametaltel is afuke karka and avadim, which is hukish lekarka, and gufay mamen is lafuke shtaris. And hekdish is memuya because the pasuk says re'eu, which is not hekdish. Also, another halacha about these four things, avadim, shtaris, karkois, v'hekdeshes, is ein be'em tashlumei kefel, v'lei tashlumei arba v'chamisha. They're memuyah from kefel, also because of a klal pratu klal, so they're not davar hametaltel, same thing, v'gufay mamen, and it says re'eu by the parasha kefel also, and there's no dal v'hei because the pasuk says, the Gemara says, tashlumei arba v'chamisha, marachmana v'lei tashlumei shloisha v'arba. Mishnah continues weiter. Shoymachinam einay nishba, which is what we said. There's no shvu on them, and noisi sacher einay mishalam, and noisi sacher doesn't pay because by noisi sacher also is a klal pratu klal, and also over there it says re'eyu. Taisa says that a shomer sacher would also be pater, and a shoymachinam would be pater from pshia also from this miyat. Taisa asks a kasha: how come the Mishnah does not ask about shayel? How come it doesn't speak about shayel? So Taisa says that by a shayel also he wouldn't pay if ha'inus happens or if it was nignava because it's hukish le shomer sacher. And Taisa says if someone would borrow a house which is mechuber lekarka and it would catch on fire, so then pater, the shayel would be pater. And the guy over there brings that yesh mechayvim. The Mishnah continues weiter. Reb Shimon Omer, that which we say that by hegdish you would not have to pay or swear. Shimon says it depends what type of hektish. Kachim shechayi b'achriyusin. If you said harei alai and I have a chiyav achrayis, so then dishban alay, and then there would be a shvua because that's not considered hektish because I have a chiyav achrayis in it. She'ein chayi b'achriyusin einish ba'am alayim. It's only by something that there's no chiyav achrayis that we say that einish ba'am alayim. Mishnah vav Rameir oimer yesh dvarim she'em kekarka ve'ein kekarka in chachamim moedim lei. So it's a machlokes or meir and the chachamim by something which we'll say shortly. The Rameir says that there is a chiyav shvua, even though you may think it's like karka, and the Chachamim say no, it's like karka, and there's no chiyav shvua. What is it? Kate said, "Eser gefanim tunis masarti loch." The Tavea says that I gave you 10 grapevines full of grapes, and the Gemara comes out. We're talking about that the grapes were ready to be cut. They're anavim ha'imdin libatzer. And the Nitva says he's moide b'mixas. It was only 5. So Rameir mechayiv shur. Rameir says that since it's oimdus libatzer, it's kibitzureis damyan, we look as if they're cut, and therefore it's metaltalin, and you would be have a chiyav shua. Chacham say kol mechuber lekarka arei kekarka, and there's no chiyav shua. Taisa speaks out that this that we have a machlokes tanam over here, if it's kibitzureis dami or not kibitzureis dami on something that's oimdus libatzer, is dafka legabe this chiyav of shvua on karka, but legabe Shabbos Kuliyam is maskim that it's kimechuber dami, because it's learned out from the Meleches HaMishkan of Ksiras Samamanim, and over there it was Oimdin Libatzer, and we consider it mechuber. And on the other extreme, the Inyan Bal Chayiv, everyone would hold that it's kibitzureis damyan, gabe the chiyav of collecting, whether it's considered karka or metalta, because at the end of the day you don't need the ground anymore, and over there it's totally on whether it's tzrichi la'ara or not tzrichi la'ara. The last halacha in the Mishnah is einish ban al adavar shebamida shebamishkel shebaminyan. The chiyav moide b'mixas is only if the tvia and the haida was on something which is measurable or is a weighted or a count. Ketzad bayis mali masarti lach. If I just say I gave you a house full of something, or kiss mali masarti lach, but there was no specific mida mishkel uminyan. Whatever is here you could take. So even though it's a moedim mixas, he's still going to become pater because there's no davar shebamida shebamishkel minyan. It's only if zeimar aziz v'zeimar chaloyin. If one says it was reaching until the beam and the other person said it was reaching until the window, so it's a specific amount chayiv. Then you'll have a chiyav shvuos moedim mixas. How do we know this? So Taisus Yantiv brings a Taisus that says that it's learned out from the pasuk of Kiyuzeh, Taisus Baba Kama, and he brings a Ran in our Sugya that says that it's that B'Shein the Mechilta, it's learned out from Dumya de Kesef, Ma Kesef Shadarke Limnes, Av Kelim Shadarke Limanes. The Taisus asks the Kasha on the Sugya that there's a klal of halach, that whenever you say moida b'mikzas chayiv, that's only if the thing that I'm being moida is not right in front of you. But if it's right in front of you, that you're able to take it right away, that's considered halach. And it's machlokes, but there's a mandama that says halach's pata. So according to mandama halach's pata, you're going to have to say, when in the case of zoi ma'araziz, zoi ma'arachaloin, that we say that he's chayiv, it's talking about that it's not able to take, because let's say the fruits are rotten or it's not be'en.